Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your LinkedIn Learning app. All you have to do, you just go down, click on my Learning down here, and you come to this list, then you click here on your name, and come to your profile here, go above this sign, click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list here, then you go down, and you click on account settings. So then you come to this list, you just switch into open video, it's going to take a time. So then you click here on notifications, and you come to this list here, you click on hearing someone. So then come to this list, you click on service page projects here, and come to this list, you come to allow project work notifications, clicking this sign. Then like you see this color show for us, that's mean allow project work notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.